Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. So today I'm showing you a sneak peek from my next tutorial. So we have a baby sweater or a baby jumper. This one's for 0 to 3 month old. We've got double crochet, half double crochet, front post and back post double crochet. We've also got a bit of single crochet, and we're going to be changing colours for this one. So we have a bit of front post double crochet and back post double crochet on the sleeves also. So this is for my next tutorial. If you're interested in making this with me, you can click the bell and you will be notified when I upload a video, or you can just look out for my video. So I hope to see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.